I'm discussing Vibhishana helped Ram to kill Ravana. Then Meghnad, despite knowing, did not support Ram. See, Meghnad was the son of Ravan. He knew that his father was immoral and unethical because he has kidnapped somebody else's wife. It was unethical and immoral also. His act was against the humanity. Yet, and he also knew that Ram was very much ethical. Ram is the incarnation of Lord Vishnu. Yet, he did not leave his father. He did not leave his state. He sacrificed his life for his father, for his estate. But before that, he tried to explain his father Ravan that leave your stubbornness, leave your adamant decision and return Sita with proper honor to Ram, right? Because it was your wrong act. But when he came to know that his father Ravan did not agree on his advice, then he decided to sacrifice his life for his father and for the state, Lanka. But Vibhishana knows the truth that Ram was the incarnation of Lord Vishnu. At the same time, Ram was very much ethical. Ram was full of character. Ram was in the side of dharma. Ram was in the side of humanity. Ram was in the side of the charity for the humanity. And his own brother, Ravana, was in the side of adharma, against humanity. He was not of a good character. And whatever he did by kidnapping Sita was a wrong act. So he also tried to make his brother Ravan explain the reality. But once he come to know that his brother Ravan did not take his suggestions to his cognizance, right? He did not value his advice. Then he left his brother and he supported Ram. He revealed the secret of killing Ravana. So he supported Ram in the battle and he played a big role to get his own brother Ravan killed by Lord Ram, right? So first, let me explain you or ask you, the battle between Ram and Ravan was the battle between two different states, two different nations, or two different parties of the same state? Two different states. That is why, yes, absolutely right, two different states. So the act of Vibhishana was in the side of truth, not honesty. But the act of Meghnad was not in the side of truth, but he favored honesty. And I told you, truth talks about truth. Truth knows not boundaries. Truth doesn't know this is India, this is Pakistan, this is China, this is America. For truth, there is no Hindu, there is no Muslim, there is no Christian, there is no different state. There is no, I would say that there is no wall between the states. Clear? But ultimately, we have to decide that we are Indians, somebody else is American, others are Chinese, some are Pakistanis, some other persons may be French or German or Italian. So honesty is the best policy. Why we are saying? And after some time I will tell you integrity is the best policy. But till now, when I have just explained you truth and honesty. So Vibhishan supported truth, not honesty, and Meghnad supported honesty, not truth, in the battle between two different states. So even if the person of one country knows that the act of his country is not right, should he leave his country? Should he leave his country? Should he take the issues of his country to the international platform, international forum? No. So he does the same, and that is why the act of Vibhishan was unethical, moral, but unethical. The act of Meghnad was ethical and moral, both. Because I have just told you earlier, whatever is ethical must be moral, but whatever is moral may not be ethical. So have you understood? So understanding different context of our scriptures help us understand different kind of typical issues. Vibhishana was in the side of truth because he knew Ram was the Lord, he was the God. Ram was ethical, Ram was right in his place. He was in the side of dharma, he was in the side of charity, he was in the side of humanity. And that is why he supported Ram against Ravana. And he played a major role, he played the biggest role in killing of Ravana. Clear? But if we talk, and I already told you that scriptures like the Mahabharata and the Ramayana are the books of management. We have everything to know, everything to solve, whether it is international issues or social issues or any kind of issues, life problems, we can have all the solutions in these books. Now, just tell me, after this example, if some organizations, please answer me, if some organizations, some media houses, or any person takes the issues of our country, publishing the issues of our country on a global platform, on an international forums, this is ethical or unethical. This is ethical or unethical? Yes, it is unethical. It is unethical. Clear? So we have different kind of examples, different kind of solutions to different kind of problems in the scriptures.